Guys, so today I'm going to show you how to repost on TikTok. You have a video that you watch and you know how to repost the video as your own poster, as your own video. Let's get started. Now open your TikTok. Now this video now other thing I want to
I love my life. I love my life. I love my life.
now what you need to do is this thing now when you I like it now what you need to do is scroll up. Let's see. What you need to do is now you can see just go up and use your hand to swipe up and you can see this is repost. I just click on repost. Now you can see introduce the post to other by reposting. Just click on OK and this is it. Press and O to share with friends. So once you have reposted it, you can see here very simple. So guys, if you found this video helpful, do a post subscription, please. It helps a lot. And like and drop your comments on any other thing. Thank you guys.